Today we're diving into the Shure Nexadyne 2, or rugged, supercardioid dynamic mic specifically voiced for kick drums and bass-heavy instruments. Design build quality. The Nexadyne 2 features Shure's Revonic dual-engine transducer technology, where two matched dynamic transducers, one front, one rear, wired out of polarity, work acoustically to cancel mechanical noise and stage rumble. The design emphasizes off-axis rejection, thanks to its supercardioid polar pattern and a rubber sleeve that dampens handling noise. Sound performance. Inside or just through the front head hole of a 22 kick, it delivers a full, fat sound with subsonic punch and clear beater attack. The built-in 450 Hz scoop helps reduce boxiness, while the 4.5 kHz boost enhances presence. Low end is authoritative and controlled, whether on bass drum or even a bass amp. It retains clarity and definition. Overall, the Shure Nexadyne 2 is a well-engineered mic that nails what it's designed for. It brings together clarity, low-end punch, and effective noise rejection, all in a tough, roadworthy package. Thank you so much.